Here's how to get missing iOS images on Android. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to go to your Play Store app, and here in the Play Store you have to search for the Google keyboard. Now here you have to install the keyboard if it is not installed on your phone, but if it is installed, now here you have to see if it needs to be updated or not. After updating your app, now you have to go back and check if missing images are available now or not. Here, as you can see, after updating my app, missing images are available now. Now for the second method, you have to long press on the app icon and then click on the info button at the top corner. Then at this interface, you have to click on the storage option, and then here you have to clear cache and clear the app data. After that, here you have to again reload your app. This will surely fix your problem. So this is how you can get missing iOS emojis on Android.